Want to become a professional HVAC technician, even if you're a complete beginner? This one skill can give you job security, high income, and endless opportunities. In this video, we'll take you from beginner to professional HVAC technician step by step. No confusion, just simple, practical learning. Step 1. Basics of HVAC. Let's start with the basics of HVAC. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, air conditioning. These three systems work together to control temperature, airflow, and comfort inside a building. Air conditioning. Air conditioning removes heat from inside your room and releases it outside, keeping your space cool. Heating. In colder areas, heating systems are used to warm indoor spaces using heaters, furnaces, or heat pumps. Ventilation. Ventilation is all about airflow. It removes stale air, dust, and humidity, and brings in fresh air from outside. What HVAC technicians do. As an HVAC technician, your job is to install systems, maintain equipment, troubleshoot problems, repair faults. You are responsible for keeping people comfortable and safe. Simple understanding. HVAC is all about controlling temperature, airflow, air quality. Once you understand these basics, you're ready to move to the next step.
If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more helpful content. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update.